Imagine working in a place where you don't have to serve a notice period and can leave on your own terms without any hassle. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what Zomato offers with its revolutionary hiring policies. I'm your host Meghla Kannan. Today we are diving into the Zomato's unique approach to HR that's transforming the work. Let's explore the 10 policies that make Zomato a standout employer. In an inclusive interview with Economic Times HR World, Niharika Mohanty, Vice President of HR at Zomato, shared some groundbreaking HR practices. Her insights reveal how Zomato is setting new standards in the industry. So now let's take a detailed look at those hiring policies that make Zomato an exceptional place to work. Firstly, on the list is the zero probation period policy. At Zomato, once you're hired, you are a full-fledged team member from day one. This policy removes the traditional probation phase, showing Zomato's confidence in their hiring decisions and allowing new employees to fully integrate into their roles right away, right? If you just join a company and if you're not able to just fully be inside the team, then that's the point. So here Zomato is breaking down that ice. Next is the zero notice period policy. Employees at Zomato can leave the company without having to serve a notice period. This flexibility allows employees to make career changes without any unnecessary delays, right? If you just get a job outside there and if you're stuck here in documentation process, that's something that will suck. Here, Zomato is giving that privilege to the employees. Thirdly, Zomato's open employment policy, which means anyone can join or leave the company without any restrictions. This policy supports employees in pursuing their career goals and personal aspirations, fostering a dynamic and adaptable workforce. Fourth, we have paid parental leave. This is something that I like. I felt, okay, yeah, this is genuinely that has to be done in every company. Zomato offers 6 months of paid paternal leave for both expecting parents. That's the point. Both expecting parents. This policy highlights Zomato's commitment to work-life balance and recognizes the importance of family time for new parents. That's something very sensitive and meaningful, right? Fifth, we have period leave for women. I think almost a lot of companies have come up with this particular rule, but here women employees at Zomato benefit from period leave, acknowledging the importance of menstrual health and well-being as well. This policy ensures a supportive environment for female employees during their menstrual cycles. So they take leaves during their period times. 6. Zomato has no sick leave, but instead they have wellness break. It's a traditional sick leave, right? Now Zomato provides wellness break. This approach emphasizes overall health and well-being, allowing employees to take time off for health reasons without any stigma. 7th, we have gender diversity on board. Zomato is committed to gender diversity at the highest levels. Out of 7 board members, 4 are women, ensuring diverse perspectives and inclusive decision-making processes. 8th, this is something really interesting. LGBTQIA inclusive facilities, something that felt really meaningful and that impressed me as well. Inclusivity is a core value at Zomato. This company offers LGBTQIA plus friendly washrooms and includes gender-affirming surgeries in its insurance policy, demonstrating a commitment to supporting all employees. So just imagine somebody who's a transgender and needs a washroom for their own. Zomato is providing that. 9th, we have no CV hiring. Read from the bottom up. So this particular policy from the HR team, it's like Zomato's hiring process is unique. Instead of focusing solely on CVs, they read them from bottom up. This method ensures a comprehensive understanding of each candidate's experience and skills, talking to them in person apart from reading and gauging the person through paper, right? 10, we have Zomaland Festival. Zomaland Festival is nothing but Zomato organizes where hiring is done through informal 10 to 15 minutes of conversation. This relaxed approach allows for a more genuine connection between the company and potential hires, making the recruitment process engaging and authentic. It's like, unlike you guys will have to stand in a queue or wait in a hall to attend the interview inside the cabin, just have to attend this event, enjoy, chill, and you get hired. Interesting, right? Yeah, that's what Zomato is trying to do and keep their employees coolest level possible. So now, Niharika Mohanty's insights into Zomato's innovative HR policy showcase the company's dedication to creating a supportive, flexible, and inclusive work environment. Zomato is truly leading the way in modern HR. So, what do you think of Zomato's groundbreaking hiring policies? Which one would you like to see in other companies? Share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel for more such latest updates. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see in another interesting episode. Until then, it's Meghla Kannan signing off. Please do take care. Have a nice day.